Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you my favorite way to grill a steak for a juicy and tender steak. The dry brine and reverse sear method. First we'll dry brine or salt the steaks. Begin by patting dry the steaks with paper towels. In this example we'll be grilling our favorite New York strip steak from Costco. Next, season the steaks with your favorite salt or seasoning, being sure to get the salt on all surfaces, including the edges. I'm using my favorite Hawaiian salt seasoning. The coarse salt is preferred as the salt and flavor are absorbed into the meat. The salt breaks down the fibers and tenderizes the meat. Place the seasoned steaks on a baking rack to allow air to circulate to all surfaces. Place the steaks in a refrigerator uncovered for 1 to 24 hours. Then remove the steaks from the refrigerator and let sit for an hour to allow the steaks to get to room temperature. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees and place the steaks on the middle rack in the oven. The reverse sear method calls for slowly cooking the steak on low heat and then searing it on the grill. After 45 minutes, check the internal temperature of the steaks. We're looking for 10 degrees below your doneness temperature. In this case, we're looking to cook to medium or 140 degrees. So we're looking to cook to 130 degrees in the oven, and then we'll raise it to 140 degrees when we sear the steaks on the grill. Check the internal temperature of the steaks every 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches the desired temperature. Place the steaks on a hot grill and flip over every 30 seconds until the doneness temperature is reached. In this case, 140 degrees for medium doneness. Most experts suggest medium rare, but my family and I prefer medium. Once off the grill, let the steaks rest for 15 minutes. And then the moment of truth. A hot pink center and a nice brown crust. Just the way my family and I love our steak. Tender and juicy. Again, my favorite way to grill a steak. The dry brine and reverse sear method, cooked to a medium doneness. To see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and then the bell icon.